Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to PEIPEI update again. So we are looking at manipulation at best, okay? Manipulations within manipulation, and I think when you see so many manipulation happening like this, the coin itself looks as if it's time for the coin to really push down. When you look at so many manipulation like that, it's not good, because I've seen this before, and that's why I'm telling you. Now, before I even tell you about PEIPEI today, I recommend you to join private for next month and for September. I do have plans. There's another coin that I'm looking at, and if that coin hopefully does what I'm thinking, I can give you the trade and you can almost get 80-90% out of that coin. But it's going to take a little bit of time. I do believe anytime in September, it may just end up doing that thing. It may be even by the middle of September, and then I can give you the trade. You take it out, 80-90%. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of profit. So yes, I do believe next month, if this is going to happen, and I'm going to make you profitable, and I really mean it. And of course, the risk is not even going to be huge. You're not going to, like, if it doesn't even work out, it's almost like risk-free kind of a thing, okay? So now here is our coin at the moment. But one thing I do notice is that the monthly time frame is looking like this, okay? Now what you're looking at is something known as evening star. So what is an evening star is when, of course, you have a green uptrend, and then you have a doji decisive, and then a red candle. These three candles combine to be known as evening star. Now, unfortunately, what evening star suggests is that whenever there's an uptrend and then you make that evening star like this, the downtrend is going to happen. So this is known as candle reading, okay? These are candlestick reading, and candlestick reading tells you a lot of things, which actually signals that September is about to get red. That's basically what this means, unless PEIPEI doesn't come up to destroy the highest part of the candle itself. So yeah, if the prices are going to go way back to the all-time high one more time, then you're not going to look at a downtrend at all. But what are the chances that PEIPEI is going to go back when September is already a very bad month in crypto? So be careful one more time. This thing can definitely suddenly drop, and I think the next big support we're talking about is actually somewhere down near here, and that's going to be 832. So maybe drop down to 832 can actually be your next support, because that's where you actually started off the rally previously. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love is.